Hello, and welcome to the inside of a pet. David Bradley here in the pet room. Hi. It's funny, I've got this light here. I'm not so sure. It isn't hotter than the soldering iron. Okay. So we're in the pet room. This pet is off, and I am yanking out a ram chip. This is the one that I first rescued from the Vic-20. And the ones that you rescue out of boards, the fresh pulls as they say, they have issues when they come out. But that went okay. So now, where we go? Over here, on the Vic-20, we have 3 chips to have a go at. I'm going to, just for a moment, just look at all the pins. I'm trying to make sure they're nice and straight. They're nice straight. Usually they are anyway. But just make sure they're all nicely lined up so that when I give the little push into the socket, they will go. All right. So this one looks okay. And I have the witness mark lined up. But as always, you're going to just get them just so. And that did not feel right. So, do not force things. Right. I will get my little wee screwdriver. And I will pop this out. And I will look again at the pins. And they seem okay. But obviously it didn't seem to get quite there. Are they in? I'm not so sure. We might have bent a pin. So I'm not going to turn this on. There is a pin right here that is showing signs of stress. Now it may be in. It may be just fine. But I just think there's a chance it has gone astray. So let's have a look. Yes, it is bent. It is bent underneath. And it needs a quick tweak. Now, you can get away with this a time or two. Oh dear. But not forever. And what I think I'm seeing is that maybe, possibly, this pin on this socket is also gone a little squirrely. And so, oh no, I really don't want to replace these. And it may be, that what's happened here is this one is gone a little squirrely, and that may be why the chip didn't go in right. Oh dear. Oh dear indeed. I might try and zoom in. No, I'm all zoomed in. Alright, I think I'm going to get my extra light here. Bring it over. Turn it on and have a look-see. And indeed, damn it. Oh, I don't want to replace sockets. Oh, you know what? I see another one that might be up a bit. But the worst of them, I believe, is this one. That looks like it is jammed. Oh no. All right. And this one is poking up a bit. All right. It may be that our testing may have come to an abrupt halt. Checking the pins. Checking the pins. They all seem okay. I'm going to do this the other way this time. Oh my golly, after all that, I'll put it in backwards. Okay, it's almost time to walk away, walk away, walk away. Excuse me. Oh, I bet you that didn't help the pin. Well, not the pin, but the... Yeah, I lost track of the witness mark. The little wee mark on the bottom of the chip. I'm going to put them in this side and this side and push. And it looks like everything is in. It looks like it. So now I'm going to shift this pin a little bit. Not the one here, but the one next to it, so I get my hand in here. I'm going to turn this on. Let's see what we have. Okay, Commodore Basic 4.0, 15,359 bytes. Okay, good. Good. So now there's another good RAM chip. Okay. And you know, it's a funny thing. There are other sockets. I don't think they had them there. I call them shark tooth sockets. I'm going to be very gentle, very caring, and I'm going to go from the other side, even though I can't see. And I'm going to pry these out with tremendous care. Look at the pins. They're all okay. How are the sockets? They look okay. So I'm going to be daring. I'm going to take this chip, I'll put it in that side first. I'll lean it a little bit over. It felt a little funny. We're going in. Commodore Basic 4.0, 15,359 bytes. Okay, so that went well. The last of these harvested chips. The machine is off. I will, with great care, pry the chip out. Tremendous care. Anyway, there's these other sockets. I think what I will do, still tight. I think what I'm going to do is see about trying to find a shark tooth one. And that bent a bit, but it's okay. What I think I'm going to try and do, oh no you don't, oh no you don't, is get one of those better, harder, tougher sockets and use it in, I'll put one in, certainly to where I'm going to be checking RAM chips on a pet. Alright, here we have the last of the recently extracted Vic-20 chip. That one went in very nicely. I will turn this on, and I will see Commodore Basic 4.0, 15,359 bytes. All right. So, all the chips that we pulled, they all seem to be fine. So I'm going to put these chips, I'm going to leave that one in there for now. I'm going to put these chips on one of the foam pieces that I got sockets on. There they are. So, we have spares. I have a feeling that on many of the machines and many of the things, the RAM chips will be part of the problem. So, not a bad thing to have spares. Anyway, I'm glad this Vic-20 had some good ones in it. And I'm glad that all is well and good with these two machines. And I'm still irked that I lost that program that I spent so much time on, but oh well. So I think it's time to say good evening. Thanks for coming.